jumping still?
No! Alex, I'm sorry, but the news just announced that a big tornado was coming.
I heard it too, Oliver. The biggest one of the century.
Yeah.
I didn't want to think that it was true, but I guess it is.
It's gonna suck us up.
It's gonna suck us up into a wormhole and then poop us out in another country?
Maybe.
Oh, hot dog. Look out there, Oliver.
Oh my gosh.
It's pouring out there, brother. I'm gonna shoot that tornado when it comes close to me. And by golly, I'm gonna save us. And I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna save you, Skit. Oh my god! Oliver!
Alex! Don't let him get you! Alex, are you okay?
Get off of me! Ho!
What a rush. Oliver, I need you to go downstairs, man the kitchen. I need you to lock up all the doors, put brooms
Alex.
on the doors. We have a tornado coming!
I know!
Ah!
Get ready! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Alex, it's here!
Oliver!
Watch out!
Toss me my power glove!
Here you go! Oh my god!
Oliver.
Alex!
Oliver, the tornado is bigger than I thought.
Are you okay?
We need to get upstairs. We need to get the dragonflies. They're my new robot creations.
Really?
We need to get them. I think they can take out the tornado.
You're right.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Did you find the dragonflies yet?
Alex,
What?
behind you.
Mommy!
Alex! Come on! Alex!
Oh my god!
Get inside! Go! Okay, come on! Come on! Close the door! Oh my gosh. Yankee 1-5, call them the dragonflies.
Dragonflies are away.
Come on! Come on! Take them out!
Oh my god, Oliver!
Alex, it's gone. Alex, I think we're gonna have to jump out the window. This house isn't safe anymore.
You mean I'm going out there? But Oliver, I'm afraid of heights, brother. What if I fall?
I don't know.
What if I break my
We have
toxics?
I actually have a rope.
Really?
Yeah.
What if I break my fall on you? What if I fall on you? Skits? What about Skits?
Oh gosh.
He's dead, look!
Brother.
Oh
Wait,
my
what?
God. Oh my
Skits!
god! Oh my god,
Oh.
he's still alive, but he's
Oh,
barely
gosh.
breathing.
We have to do something about this.
We're gonna have to jump out.
I love you, brother. My brother.
God, where's Oliver? Oliver!
Hey!
Oliver's that you?
Oh my God! It's coming!
Oliver! Oh my, wait, I don't see it yet. Do you know where it is?
No!
Oh my
I don't
God.
know what to do. Oh, come to the front door!
Oh my God, it's right behind you.
Ah!
Come on! Come on! Oh my God. Oliver! Oliver! Come on, hold on! Hold my head! Hold my head! Oh my God! It's right there! Hold my head! Pull me in! Pull me in! Come on, Oliver! Come on, brother! Oh my God, it's right there! Oh, Oliver, that was a doozy. Status report. I don't know where the tornado went. It just attacked Oliver, but it. Oh my God. Oliver! It's
Alex!
there!
Oh,
Oh my
man.
God!
Ah!
Oh my God!
This thing is unbeatable.
You said it, Oliver. The tornado's gone again. We've used everything. We've used my fireflies, my dragonflies, whatever you call it. I even used my my power glove. And those tanks can't even take it out. I think I have an idea.
What?
One last chance. I'm gonna need myself to go out in the backyard to the garage.
Oh,
I'm gonna go
gosh.
get something and I'm gonna put a bomb under the ground. I'm gonna put the bomb under the ground, and when the tornado comes, it's gonna run over the bomb, and the bomb's gonna blow the tornado sky high. That's our last chance. I'm gonna have to get to the garage.
Okay,
I
brother.
think I'm gonna make it.
Oh,
I love you.
I love you too, brother.
We all have jobs to do. Let's move!
Yeah, let's go. See anything?
No, Oliver, I don't see anything as far as Kansas.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck's going on?
Try to get the bomb.
All right, come to me.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Bomb's right here.
Okay, hurry up, give it to me.
Catch.
Ah! Oh gosh, I got it.
All right, I'm coming in.
Okay. Gosh. We did it, Alex.
Oliver,
I'm here.
you're alive?
Yeah.
Wow, party!
Woo! Yeah.
So you killed the tornado.
I did.
How is that even possible?
I don't know. I don't.
You killed it, Oliver.
I know.
Woo! Look at all these balloons.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna bathe in them, Oliver. Woo! I'm gonna bathe